Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Opay restricted account. So number one, you're going to want to verify your account information. Ensure that all your details, name, phone number, address, etc. are accurate and up to date. Upload any necessary identification documents to authenticate your identity. Number two, check transaction history. Review your transaction history for any failed transactions or suspicious activities that might have triggered the restriction. This will help you understand the root cause and provide accurate details to the Opay customer support. Number three, contact Opay customer support. Reach out to Opay customer support via email at support@opay.com. Explain your situation and provide any necessary documentation to verify your identity. Number four, resolve outstanding issues. If there are any outstanding verification requests or issues, make sure to complete them promptly. This can help prevent further disruptions in your payment activities. Number five, update security settings. Review and update your security settings to ensure your account is protected. This includes using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication if available. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for feedback. Other than that, I'll see you all for the next one.